Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I want to talk about a simple strategy that can help you to monetize on YouTube really fast, like really fast. This simple hack or idea can help you to earn subscribers and watch time to get monetized really fast in just less than 30 days. I want to say this before I get into this video. Do not allow the big tech companies to use you. Any means, any strategy, any logic that you can use to make money out of the big tech companies, you need to jump on it. If you are not making money out of these big tech companies, you are just a product. Yes, you might think that you have everything free, like the YouTube, you can go watch free videos and all the stuff. You can think that on Facebook or Instagram, you can easily reach out to people without spending a dime. You are definitely deceiving yourself. If you are not making money out of the big tech companies, you are just a product. They are rather using you to make money. So if you want to become a YouTuber and make money from YouTube, you need to meet a certain requirement. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months to become a partner and monetize your channel. So the biggest challenge in YouTube is that a lot of people don't have time to record video. A lot of people don't have time to edit their videos. So they feel like, it's really hard for me to get into this thing. It's easier to take a picture and post on Instagram. It's easier to type a few lines of words and post on Twitter or Thread. When it comes to YouTube, you have a lot of work to do. So if you're under this category, what I'm about to show you is a content idea that will help you to kickstart your YouTube career. Probably you are not on YouTube. And this idea will help you to monetize really fast without spending long hours recording videos and editing. It's a simple niche that is called relaxing sounds and meditation music. So creating this kind of videos is really easy, and you don't need to spend so much money buying equipment, buying cameras. You don't need an expensive microphone to make this kind of content. So this niche is all about creating videos that shows an image with a lovely background music. Or let's say you are recording something that can be relaxing for viewers. Examples can be an ocean wave. Just imagine you are recording an ocean wave for over 2 hours. Or you take your camera to a popular city and you record the city life, or let's say the nightlife for like 2 to 3 hours. That is the kind of content that you need for this niche. Simple. Now the truth is that a lot of people use this kind of content to relax. A lot of people use this kind of content to just chill, to sleep. Probably they are in a workplace. They just need something at the background that they can see some images with some great sounds at the background. That is all they need. So because it's 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, people even record up to 10 freaking hours. So just imagine 10 people playing your videos for like 5 hours. Man, you are close to monetization. You are close to getting that 4,000 public watch hours. Perhaps you have the 1,000 subscribers. And because they love it, they are definitely gonna subscribe. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to do this. The first step is for you to choose your niche. You can focus on nature sounds, you can focus on meditation, you can focus on like a unique combination of sounds. Identifying your niche will help you cater to a specific audience, which is crucial for gaining subscribers and views. Number 2 is for you to search for your music and sound. That is the music that you use at the background. Some of this kind of content, you don't even need a music or a sound at the background, but if you insist, ensure that you have an appropriate license to avoid copyright issues, because YouTube may put a strike on your video and you are not going to be able to monetize. So there are lists of websites where you can find free royalty, free relaxing music or sounds to use on your video. Number 1 is Freesound. Freesound offers a variety of user-contributed nature sounds, including bird song, ocean waves, and forest ambience. You can search for specific sounds and download them for free. The second one is Sound Bible. Sound Bible has a section dedicated to nature sounds, including rain, thunder, and wildlife sounds. These sounds are free to download and you can use for your project. Zapsplat, this platform offers a wide range of nature sounds effects, including rain, thunderstorms, and wildlife recordings. They are free to use with attribution. And the last one is Pond5 free sounds effect. Pond5 has a collection of free sounds effects, including nature sounds like wind, rain, and birds. Check the licensing terms for each sound. The next step is video editing. Now, video editing is the simplest thing because you are not doing a lot of cut and join and other stuff. So at this point, you've downloaded your music. You can even use one music for a video. You just keep repeating the video, or you can download like 10 to 20 music if you are targeting like 1 hour or 2 hours videos. The only thing you need to do is to bring your video on the timeline. You can mute the sound on the video and you just allow your audio to play on the background. Simple, you just place all of this together and you export your video. I use Filmora. There are so many editing software that you can use. You can jump on any one. Since the process is not complex, you'll be able to work with any video editing software. Now the next step is for you to have a great and a lovely thumbnail. This is very important because thumbnails help people to click the video. So irrespective of the kind of content that you create, you need a great thumbnail so that someone will be able to click that video. To do this, jump onto Canva. You can design your thumbnail in just 5 to 10 minutes. If you want to give it out, just go to Fiverr. You can ask someone to design a thumbnail for you. 3, 4, 5 pounds, you get your thumbnail. Boom. The fifth step is to optimize your video title and description. Make people to discover your videos by using relevant keywords in your video titles and description. For example, if your video is about music to meditate, you can use keywords like meditation, yoga, relaxing music, etc. The idea is to make people to discover your videos. The next step is to promote your channel. Share your videos on social media platforms and relevant online communities that are related to your content. You can find groups on Facebook and Reddit to promote your videos for free. So if you can achieve all this, just sit back and relax till you get to 1,000 subscribers. You can never get to 1,000 subscribers without having the 4,000 public watch hours. I bet you with this idea, you are definitely going to get the 4,000 watch hours long time before you get the 1,000 subscribers. So go ahead, start making money on YouTube. Stop playing, guys. It's easier to do it these days. The resources are there. You've got the information. Nothing should stop you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And your boy will see you guys in the next one. Piash.